Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you. We've all done the sloppy selfies. Some don't look like much of anything. Some don't have the entire subject in the frame. Some have part of our faces in the frame. And then there's the infamous up-the-nose shot. Today on Old Man New Tech. Hey, it's Brian with Old Man New Tech. And have you ever had the situation where you wanted to be in the picture with your friends, but just didn't have anybody to take that picture? So I went online and I ordered an Anker Bluetooth selfie stick and extendable tripod stand. It also has a remote with it. Now the reason I ordered this one was it looked pretty simple to use. It extended, it had a tripod at the bottom, and it also had a remote that synced up with my phone. But what was kind of cool was, after I started searching for this, it showed up as a fire sale in my feed, which is kind of coincidental, don't you think? Amazon, you guys are so tricky. Now I figured I might as well upgrade all of Old Man's new shooting facilities, so I ordered a microphone from Pop Voice. It retails around 13 bucks. So my selfie stick and tripod from Anker showed up within 2 or 3 days, and so did my little Pop Voice PV510 Plus lavalier microphone. That showed up too. We're gonna see if that makes me sound better, because I do get a lot of echoing when I shoot, like an amateur. So anyways, we'll see if this sounds better. We'll see it before and after, because the tail end of this video should sound a whole lot better. At least I hope it will. But we'll see how all this turns out right after we see back in the day. Back in the day, we didn't go onto YouTube to watch our family videos, and we didn't email them. We didn't text them. We had to bust out the family projector, sit in a dark room, thread some film through the projector, and turn that bad boy on. This thing is way older than most of you guys watching this video, so the tube's burned out on it, but we found this in the garage. Anyways, that is this segment of Back in the Day. So we're going to be doing the unboxing and the setup of our Anker Tripod Selfie Stick with the wireless Bluetooth. Comes with a charging cord, micro USB, not USB-C yet, but still micro USB charging cord. And it comes with the selfie stick. Look how it's folded up so you can put it in your bag, your coat, whatever you're traveling with. It extends. I guess this folds out so that it can hold your phone. And then the magic happens here at the bottom with the tripod. So we got a selfie stick and a tripod so that we can do stationary shots. We can do family portraits. And as you can see, it's spring loaded. We put our phone in here for shooting. Oh, that's pretty cool. And I'll be using this during the rest of our shot today, so you can kind of see the difference between having my poor wife having to shoot me and take away from her precious time. We have the Bluetooth remote right here, a tiny little thing. But I'm going to show you how that syncs up to this. So we're going to turn on my phone, and we're going to touch the button here, see if we have a recognition. There it is. And boom, we got as a partnership. So as you can see, the remote fits right in here for easy storage. Again, it's easy to set up, and I can adjust it for your traditional selfie. So I've got the remote here in my hand, and you're going to see how this works when I start recording or taking a picture through my camera using the remote. There you go. Easy as that. I was using this, and we can check to see how far it reaches. Here I am a good 10, 15 feet away, and we're going to take a picture. 1, 2, 3. See, it works great. So now we're going to take a look at the PV510 lavalier microphone. And this is from the Pop Voice company. Oh, look at that. It comes in a nice little bag. And a nice little carrying bag here. And there's our microphone. Now, having come from the television industry and the radio industry, I know how important sound is in miking up properly. So they got a nice little Velcro strip there. And a long enough cord, it's about 6 feet long, so that I can hook it up to my phone and get some decent sound from it. Now we're going to try this out. So I'm attaching the microphone up to my vest here, and we're going to see how that sounds. It's a tiny little microphone, and if I wanted to, I can fit it under here underneath my my old man cardigan. But now we're recording with an actual microphone. So hopefully it sounds better. It sounds better for you guys at home or on your devices. And we'll see how good it sounds when I get everything synced up and produced. And we're back. So I'm all mic'd up now. You'll see that over here. And I've got my little remote here so I can stop recording, start recording whenever I want. And I'm doing a bona fide video. I've got my lighting, and we're ready to go. We're ready to cook. Hopefully the sound is coming off good with this microphone, and I'm not having to really project myself like I was before. So we're getting rid of some of the background noise with a good microphone, and we're doing a much more professional shoot, or hopefully professional shoot, when I'm here at home with Old Man New Tech and not in the studio at work. Everything seems to be working good right now, and I'm really happy with these purchases. So I do highly recommend the Anker Selfie Stick with the tripod and the wireless Bluetooth remote. And also I'm recommending the Pop Voice PV510 Plus. You'll see the product descriptions down below. Please feel free to click on there. Support Old Man New Tech by buying through these links. They go to Amazon, and it lets Amazon know that we're doing a good job as far as promoting some of the products that we find useful and aren't bad products. And you'll find a review from me there as well. But I do recommend these products. They do help assist in creating a more professional video in the comfort of my own home. So you'll see a few more videos coming from my home, but a lot of these videos that you'll see from Old Man New Tech will be produced in studio like you've seen before. So sometimes we like to have fun at home on the weekends and do some things that maybe we can't do in a studio. Anyways, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech, and signing off. Bye now. Oh, I can stop filming just with a click of a button. Boop! Hey, this is Brian with Old Man New Tech. We can't make this channel happen without you, so please hit subscribe and smash that bell down below. And if you're looking for product links, you'll find them there too. Thank you.